Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 93-litre D250 X-Dynamic HSE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Santorini black. To start off with then, you have your premium LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have your 22-inch 5-spoke gloss black finish alloy wheels, really complementing against the Santorini black exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle now, you can see your full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it. And once we open up the boot, you are able to see that you've got ample amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the car, giving the cabin a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle is done 13,837 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Perhaps if you can't, you also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple and Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. Of course, you also have your 4x4 information, along with your wade sensing and terrain response drive information. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. Pairing with this nicely is the off-road feature on the camera, ideal for those off-road days, and of course you also have your on-road 360 view camera, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. The front seats are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as the colder winter ones, and these are paired with a dual zone climate control so you can individually adjust the temperature. This has been a presentation on the Land Rover Defender 93-litre D250 X-Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.